Intro hook. Think you can solve this spiral math riddle? It looks incredibly simply, but it actually trips up 98% of students. Let's break down how to get the correct answer without falling into the trap. Step 1. The left-to-right rule. When you have a string of identical operations like division, the golden rule of order of operations is to work strictly from left to right. First, we take the first two numbers, 2 divided by 2. That simply gives us 1. Step 2, the next division. Now, we move to the right. We take that 1 and divide it by the next 2. That brings us to 1 upon 2, or 0.5. Step 3, setting up the final step. Finally, we need to divide 1 upon 2 by the last 2. To make this easy to visualize, let's rewrite the whole number 2 as a fraction, 2 upon 1. Step 4, keep, change, flip. Remember your fraction rules? To divide fractions, we keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction as 1 upon 2, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip 2 upon 1, upside down to become 1 upon 2. Conclusion, the final answer. Now, just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. That gives us our final, correct answer, 1 upon 4, or 0.25. Did you get it right? That's it.